Hi, salam to all, and welcome to our channel. As you see, our channel name is For You, and this channel is all about news, discovery, and knowledge. I'm excited to share with you the latest news and trends from around the world, as well as interesting and informative discoveries and insights from a variety of fields. In this first video, I want to give you a quick overview of what you can expect from my channel. I'll be posting new videos every week, covering a wide range of topics, from current events and breaking news to science and technology, culture and entertainment, and more. I believe that knowledge is power, and my goal is to provide you with accurate and reliable information that will help you stay informed and make informed decisions. Whether you're interested in staying up to date on the latest news or learning about new and exciting developments in the world, I hope you'll find something of value on my channel. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date with all the latest videos. I can't wait to share more with you and start this journey of discovery together.